Hey everybody, it's Janelle from YarnNecklaces. Today I have a fun unboxing for you guys. It's a package from beads.us, which is the company I buy a lot of my jewelry making supplies from. And I have been waiting for this package for like over a month, so I'm super excited to get in and see what I ordered because it's been a while. So I'm going to show you what I ordered and then also show you some of the things I make with what I ordered. So you may notice that I haven't been making a whole lot of videos lately. I've actually been going out to Clearwater Beach. They have a festival out there that I am a vendor at. It's called Sunsets at Pier 60, and it's every single day. It starts, right now the time it starts from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. and it's always like a 4-hour festival. It's 2 hours before and after sunset, so the time changes throughout the year. But it's a great festival. It's been going on for 25 years, and I've been a vendor for about 15 or so, so I've been there quite a while. But just this year, I've been starting to be able to make some of my jewelry and sell it. Before, I was just doing like most of my seashell crafts. So it's been really good for me because jewelry just sells like crazy. Tourists are out, everybody's like just ready to go on vacation. They're tired of being stuck in their house from the pandemic. So it's been a good few months. I've been going out pretty consistently since March. So it's been really busy for me, and that's why I haven't made a video. But enough about that. Let's go ahead and get started, and I'll show you what I ordered. Okay, so let's start with this big bag here. These are expandable bracelets, and these are a 60 millimeter in diameter bracelet. Now you can buy these in different sizes, and I actually have, I bought them in 2 sizes smaller and 1 size bigger. So the size smaller would be like a 50 millimeter and a 55, and then 65 millimeter for the bigger one, because these will expand, like they'll go like this, but they don't really get much tighter. So if your wrist is really small, then this is going to be a little too big for you. This one fits me well. So if you're an average size woman, a 60 millimeter would be a good size. But if you're a little bit bigger, I'd go with 65. If you're small, then probably a 55. And for a little girl would probably be 50. And what you do is just squeeze these together and then put your hand through, and then it kind of just snaps back like this. Now you can kind of make it a little bit tighter, kind of go like this a little bit, but it won't get much tighter than that. And it just fits like a bangle, so it is supposed to be loose. And I'll show you what I do with these. I actually have a little sample here of what I make. These are little zodiac charm bracelets. And I have a star, a moon, a little crystal, which actually corresponds with the October birthstone, and then Scorpio, which is the sign, and then a sun. So these I sell on the beach, and I have a whole display of all the signs and all the birthstones. I also put on there a trait of what that sign is. Like for Scorpio, it's witty. For me, I'm a Taurus, so I'm actually stubborn. And I get a lot of people like, I'm not stubborn. So I think what I'm going to do is go back and go look up like some more positive traits for some of these, because some people are kind of offended by them. I think Sagittarius is crazy, but I don't know. That's just what it said online, so that's what I put. But I'll probably go back and probably put like 3 words on there saying like, you know, different traits. At least have one positive one on there, I guess. These are also charm bracelets. And, oh, by the way, these are stainless steel, so they won't tarnish, which is so nice. These are also like little charm bracelets, and they're a little bit different. So they will actually go onto your wrist like this and stay like that. And you can make these a little bit bigger than this. It is stainless steel, so you can bend it out just a little bit. But it doesn't go too much smaller. You can try to make it smaller, but that's about as small as it goes. And the nice thing about these, I actually kind of like these a little bit better. They have these little notches here. So what I do with the charms, here I'll show you with one of the ones I have here. This is like a nautical theme. So the charms will actually stay within like the little sections here. So I put one here, and then I put like the colored one here, and here. So I have a total of 5 charms. So I like the way that stays, because like when you put it on, like all the charms will keep separated. So it's not, they don't all bunch up like the other one. And I did notice that if I use a big jump ring For the crystal one, it tends to come out of these two. So I need to switch this to a smaller jump ring. So that way it doesn't go over this. And now I can't get it back. Oh well, I'll fix it later. And then we'll start, these are some charms I got. These are little spiders. And let me take one out for you. They look like this. And if you've ever seen any of my other unboxing videos, I mentioned that I have some Harry Potter sets that I sell online. And these are part of the Harry Potter set. And I bought a whole bunch of these because the last time I tried to order them, they were out of stock of this type of spider. And I'm like, oh man, then I'd have to like order a new type of spider, take whole new pictures. It's so annoying. So, so I was able to find some on a different site, and I was able to get enough to hold me over till I got these. So, but I'm happy to have these now. So yay. And here's some more charms. These are little camera charms, which I probably didn't need this many, but I mean, eventually I'll sell them. These cameras I was going to use for one of my themes for this type of bracelet, like the Nautical one. I also make different themes, and one of the themes is travel. So I think the camera goes on with travel really cute. I also put like a little passport, an airplane, and like a little charm of the earth. So looks really cute. And oh, yesterday I actually found some that were like a little suitcase. So I ordered some of those. I'm not sure which charm I'm going to take off, but that'll be really cute. So I always put like this one, I always put 4 charms and a crystal with it when I make my bracelets. And these are some little leaf charms that I also sell online. And I think we have some more charms in here too. Yeah. Here's some ladybugs. You can see those. It's kind of hard to see through all this plastic. These are little ladybug charms. I'm selling just a set of those. And also I have one theme that's just nature, and I put the ladybug on there. It looks really cute. And I kind of vary what I put on there. Sometimes I'll put dragonfly or butterfly, ladybug, and I don't know what the other one is. Tree of life or something like that. Or an owl or whatever I feel like putting that day. And then let's look at these. These are actually the setting I use for these crystals. So I actually have to glue those crystals in. I'll show you what the crystals come. They look like this, and I have to order these on Aliexpress. But these are called Rivoli crystals, and that's just the name of the shape of them. And they're kind of, let me take one out so you can see it. Get out of there. So they look like this, and they have a little point on the back, and it fits in here real nicely. So you would just set it on in there like that. We'll put your glue in there first, of course. And I use the Beacon 527 glue. It's like an airplane glue, but I've also used E6000 too, so either one of those will work. But you want to use some really strong glue so it doesn't come out. And what else do we have in here? Oh, okay, these are some more, these are like some custom message charms I got. And I ordered the same thing sometime last year, and I probably showed you guys. These are like the different houses for Harry Potter. This is Ravenclaw, so you can see that one. This one is Gryffindor. And this one is Slytherin. And this one is Hufflepuff. So what I do with these, I take these and put them in a set with a bunch of other charms having to do with the same house, like with Ravenclaw, or like Gryffindor has a lion and a little red robe and like a crest with a lion on it. So everything to do with Gryffindor. And then I also throw in some other ones that have to do with Harry Potter, like a lightning bolt and an owl and different things. So sell those charm sets online, and then people buy the charm sets and they can do whatever they want with them. Like I even saw one lady, she makes candles, and she puts little charms inside wax of her candles. So I'm like, oh, I would have never even thought of that. So cool. And then I have these little mermaid charms. These are gold mermaids. And with these, I'll show you these gemstones that I ordered too. But I make these sets. I have a few sets I took out so you can see what they look like. These are my 3-layered necklace sets. So I have like the first chain is the shortest one, which is a 15-inch. Second chain is just the one with the charm, 18-inch, and the 22-inch is this one here. And these are all like little gemstones. So this one here is labradorite. And then I even put in like what that is, like, because a lot of people will wonder like what, like it kind of like healing stones and everything, like what is this stone used for? So I put that in there, and I think it really sells it, like, because some people are like, they don't even care what color the stone is. They want to know what the stone is actually used for. So I'm glad I put that on there, because I've been selling these for a good 4 or 5 years, and I've never done that before where I actually like printed out a card and put what the stone actually stands for, and people just love them. Like, I mean, I sell a lot of these every single night, so it's pretty awesome. And so this is like a labradorite stone. This one's like a sea opal. And then I have over here, we've got tiger eye. And this one's rose quartz. I did gold in this one. And I use all stainless steel chains. This one is actually gold over stainless steel. But I really like using stainless steel, especially being at the beach. You got salty air. You don't want to be using anything that's like plated brass or anything like that, because it's just going to tarnish. So pretty much all the metal I use is either stainless steel, or if I'm doing wire wrap stuff, it's aluminum, because aluminum won't tarnish either. And I'll show you some aluminum stuff I make later. And so these are some of the gemstone ones I got. This is like blue howlite. And this one is lapis lazuli, and I don't know if I'm saying that right, but this one's really pretty. I don't know if you can see on the camera, but it has like little gold flakes. You see those little gold flakes there? Let me kind of, right there. It's really pretty. A very nice dark blue color. And then we got this really vibrant green. This one is, I believe it's called malachite. Let me focus there. And it has like little swirly, like black markings on it. It's really pretty. And what other ones did I order this time? I probably have at least 20 different stones. I've been like gradually ordering more and more. This one is a blue gold stone. And this one's really pretty also. It almost looks black, but it's actually like a really deep blue. And it's got these little sparklies in it. I think you can see it. See how it sparkles there? Let me kind of focus on that a little better. There we go. So that one, I mean, people really like that one because it goes with a lot of stuff. And this is, this one is blue agate, or I'm sorry, black agate. And this is one that I haven't had yet, but it's just like a plain black stone, so nothing really exciting about it. But some people just want black, so there you go. They'll go with everything. And then these are a blue agate. And these are so pretty, and I just love making these because they're just like, they look like water to me because they're just, you know, all swirly and stuff. So I love putting these with like the little mermaid charm or a seahorse or starfish or something to do with the sea. And since I'm selling right on the beach, it's just like people just love this color. They love the little style of the set, so always a good thing. And what else do we have in here? I have an empty bag. Yay. We have, this one is rose and zoisite or something. I forget the name of this one. Something really weird, like rose and zoisite. I'll write it up here on the screen. But this one is a really interesting stone because it's green, but it also got this like little pink color in it too. So it's pretty cool. And oh, looks like I missed some charms here. Oh, I got some some deer charms. And these also go into my Harry Potter set. Take them out because it's kind of hard to see. So just like, it's almost like a reindeer, but that just goes in my Harry Potter charm set that I sell online. And these are new beads that I got. These are Tiger Eye, and they are 8mm bead. And I'm going to use these for two different things. So like the Tiger Eye ones, like this is like the natural color of Tiger Eye. Let me take this out, you can see it better. Like this brown color, but I think they dyed some of these like different colors, and it just looks so pretty online. I'm like, I have to get these because I think they'll make such a pretty bracelet. I make these like bracelets here, which I've probably shown you guys before. These are wire wrap bracelets, and I just put beads along here and wrap them. And I think just those colors would just look so nice together to make a bracelet. And then the other thing I just started making just like last week are these wire wrapped pendants and earrings, which I didn't even think about doing that with these when I bought them. But I think I am gonna make some with like the different colors, so I can, you know, I can put the two blues together or two greens or two pinks or whatever I want to do, and then make the earrings. I don't have a big enough Tiger Eye for the necklace, but I do sell the earrings separate too, so that'll look really cute. But I think these are so pretty. I just love the way it's like, I don't know, woven and zigzagged and everything. It's just so fun. And then the other set of Tiger Eye beads I got were blue, because I mean, if I'm selling on the beach, obviously people are thinking beachy stuff, and blue for water. But these turned out so pretty. Like you can see how like they just kind of glow almost. I just love the color of these. They're so pretty. Oh, one more thing I wanted to show you guys. And these, oh, I didn't even bring those up here. I took them out already, but I do have some little pendants that I made, kind of like the same thing as these, but I just wrote Clearwater Beach, Florida on there, and I just attached those to these little keychain zipper pull things, and I make these with resin. These, I always put like a little charm in there, which I have to cut off the little loop on the charm. And I put some glue on the bottom of the pendant, and then sprinkle some glitter in there, and then put the charm and a few seashells, maybe a starfish. I think I might have one with a starfish in here. Yeah, there we go. Little starfish there. So, so yeah, and then I just make these little keychains. And then what I do is I put a little jump ring on here and attach the Clearwater Beach charm that I made. And there you go. Perfect souvenir. And then the other keychains I just started making, I've had these little character pendants for the longest time. And I did make some necklaces out of them, which I do sell those too. But I started making keychains out of those too. And I also use these little Rivoli crystals, and then just add a little charm that has to do with whatever character it is. And there's another little keychain. So of course little girls love these things. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up and let me know if there's any questions or comments you have. I'll even leave a link below. You can get to the website beads.us and order some stuff for yourself. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.